My life goal is to guide 10,000 people like you to own a life and a legacy they can be proud of. Hi, I'm Dominic Tay, multi-million-dollar business owner and mentor to thousands of people globally. People learn from me because I don't just teach good-sounding ideas and leave people alone to figure out the implementation. Instead, I guide people through a proven action plan step by step, get things done together, and overcome challenges with them. And that's how we have brought in millions of dollars and built legacies we can be proud of. I'm also a son who have retired both my parents. I'm a primary caregiver and a very proud parent of my own child. But I wasn't always this successful. In fact, I started out as a science graduate with zero business ideas, experience, and connections. And I had less than $4,000 in my bank account that I had saved up after working in part-time jobs. I had to go through years of disappointment and frustrations, dealing with my own self-doubts, trying a ton of things that just don't work, that I'm embarrassed to talk about today. But despite all of this, I've achieved my goals of creating a multi-million-dollar business and a legacy that I'm proud of. And having been there, done that, I can confidently tell you, if I can do this, you can do this too. And I want to help you because it gives me so much excitement, purpose, and joy to see people achieving better results using what I share. I'm Dominic, and my life goal is to guide 10,000 people just like you to own a life and a legacy you can be proud of.